Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to configure Firefox driver for Selenium. So for Firefox driver we need to configure GeckoDriver. Let me download GeckoDriver for Firefox. GeckoDriver download. Click on releases Mozilla GeckoDriver GitHub. And this is the version. If you scroll down to the bottom, we can see the Gecko drivers. So we have 64 version and as well as 32 version. Let me download 32 version. And if you are using a Mac or Linux machine, you can download accordingly. Let me open my downloads. Extract this zip file, and here is a gecko file. Copy the gecko driver and open Eclipse. And in the previous tutorial where I have showed how to create a Java project, and we have configured a Chrome driver, and we have created a server folder where we are storing all the drivers related to it. Let me paste this gecko driver in my servers folder, and I will create a new class for Firefox. Let me name this as Firefox driver setup, and we need a main method to write a sample code to open a Firefox browser. Check this public static void main, click on finish, and the structure is created for the class. And let me create a set properties for Firefox gecko driver. System.set property, and the property name as webdriver.gecko.driver, and in the value section we need to provide the gecko driver location where we have copied and stored in our server folder. Click on properties, right click and click on properties, and copy the entire location of this exe file, and in the value section provide the path. Let me instantiate the driver. WebDriver, import WebDriver, driver equal to new Firefox. So here we have a Firefox driver, so org.openqa selenium firefox.firefox driver. Select this one, and this gecko driver is for creating a driver setup for Firefox, but actually we need to create a browser instance for Firefox driver. Driver.get, and I am launching a sample website called https google.in. And I will write a sample code to get the title of the page launched. I am using system.out.print sysout driver dot get title. Let me save my program, and I will run this sample code. Now browser has creating console logs. So my browser has launched Firefox. It will launch the Google website link. And you can see the title of this page is Google. Now we have successfully configured Firefox setup for Selenium. And please do subscribe to my channel, and if you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my previous tutorial on how to configure Selenium Java project in Eclipse IDE and how to configure Maven Selenium project in the Eclipse IDE, and I will share the link in the description section. And please share your questions in the comment section. Thank you.